We have learned to use variables and also able to input data using scanner class. But how to do the calculation part? Adding, subtraction, multiplication, division. Today we will learn Java operators, heart of programming. Hello students, welcome back to A to Z Tech World. This is our day 4 Java series. Today we are going to learn operators. Basically, what is operator? Why we use operators? Now, to understand this, I have made one picture for you, that is operators in Java. Now, first of all, what is an operator? An operator is a special symbol that is used to perform operations on variables, constant, and values. Now, in the next column here, you can see that we are having operators. Operators, that means addition, for used for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and so on. And the data which we are having 5, 3, it can be, you can write it directly or you can use it as a reference with the help of the constant or a variable. Now 5 plus 3 equals to 8. Now 5, 3, 8 are operand, whereas plus is a operator. Here actually equals to is also a operator, but that we will learn afterwards. Now types of operators. Operators are of three types: arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operators. Arithmetic operators used to perform some basic mathematical operators. Here we are having plus minus, multiplication, that is asterisk sign, divide, that is forward slash, and now we are having a percent sign. We call it as modulus or mod sign. Now the purpose of this mod sign is to display the remainder of what we have divided. Relational operator and logical operators are used to return as a Boolean characters. Now, what is Boolean characters? Boolean characters are returning either true or false. Now, here we are having double equals to. This is known as not equals to. This is greater than. This is less than, greater than equals to, less than equals to. Then we are having logical operator. Now, as the name suggests, it is going to see that the answer is either in a true or a false. This is known as and sign. This is known as or sign. This is known as not sign. I've tried to give some examples also. With this, you can able to understand what is the output and what is going to do. Now, let's create a simple program which is going to help us to understand more about what is operators. Now, for this, we will move to Java. This is day 4. Class day 4. Public static void main string args bracket open and close. Here we are not going to use the scanner class. We are going to use a simple constant program. Now let's have int a equals to 10 comma b equals to 5. system dot out dot println, that is add, then plus sign, and then within bracket a plus b, bracket close. Yeah. Now, see, this is a string and this is a integer. Whenever we want to write two different type of data type, that is two or more different type of data type in system.out.println, we are supposed to use this plus sign. If you are not using a plus sign, it will give a error message. Then subtract, divide, multiply, and mod. Now, I'm sure you remember what is mod. So, subtraction minus divide slash multiplication star and mod percent sign. It is one of the most important part when you are doing some of the mathematical program where you want to check something. For example, even, odd, and prime numbers and other like these type of programs. Then again, we will go for this. I'm creating from the uh, logical operators and relational operator, one from each program. Is A greater than B? That is, I'm putting a question mark. Let's say I'm asking to you, and then here, that is logical operator A is greater than 5 and B is less than 10. Now here you have to check that A is greater than 5 or not. Yes, it's greater than 5, that is it's a 10. And B is less than to 10 or not. Yes, B is less than to the 10. That means both the values are true. Then here, is A is greater than B? For that, I will be writing here this sign, that is greater, that is true, it will be giving a true value. Then again this, then 2 times and, then again I'll be writing B less than 10. Okay, I'm making it a bit big. It will be easier for you to understand. Now control save, then control K. Yes, it's compiled, no syntax error. For addition, 10 plus 5 is 15. Subtraction, 10 minus 5, 5. Dividing, 5 twos are 10. Multiply, 5 multiplied by 10, 50. If I am dividing 10 from 5, that means my remainder will be 0. Is A is greater than B? Yes, it's greater than B. A is greater than 5 and B is less than 10, both are true, so it's going to give the answer as true. Let's say I'll change the value from here 7 and 3. Save, Control K, and now let's see what will be the output. 7 plus 3, 10. It's okay. 7 minus 3, 4. It's okay. Divide 7 divided by 3. It's an integer value, that's why it is giving a 2. If I'll be putting it in a float value, it will give it as a point value. Then multiply, that is 7 threes are 21, it's fine. Then if I'm dividing it from 3 to 7, I'll be getting a remainder as 1. Is A is greater than B? Yes, it's true. Is A is greater than 5? It's true. Is B is less than 10? It's true. So it's a true. Control plus K to clear it, close it. Hope you have understand the purpose of operator, how and where to use it. Now it's time to do the homework. So homework is accept two numbers, use the subtraction operator, and then print the output. So we will meet tomorrow with day 5 program. If this video is helpful, then do likes, share and subscribe A to Z TechWorld.